Hi everyone, this is Surbhi from Digification. Getting spam comments on your WordPress website is something very common, and to fight this, what you can do is there are two options. Number one, go to your posts. If in case you want to disable the comments on your post, select all posts, go to edit, click on apply. Now here you'll see this setting, comment setting, where you can say comments do not allow. Now all these posts nobody would be able to comment, and you can simply update. And there's another option where you can ask somebody to log in and then comment. That's also another idea to help fight spam comments. So for that you'll go to settings. Let's go to so here you'll go to discussion, and in discussion you can see this user must be registered to logged in and comment. So if it's not unchecked, then you might get spam comments, but if you check it, then user would have to create an account and then only he'll be able to comment. So both these options are great, so you can try whichever.